Allow me to introduce myself. I'm San. You know me. You love me. As long as we're hanging out at the beach, that is. Oh, but everywhere else, guess who's not invited? Eyeballs, swimsuits, sandwiches. Ugh. Oh, I'm too gritty for you? Excuse me. But it's my job. Now there's Abrasion Undercarriage. Talk about uninvited. In old systems, I used to slip in between the seals. Make a pretty little nest in the works. Sure, I did a little damage, but so what? It was cozy. What? You don't want me to be cozy? So you made Abrasion seals super tight? Oh, tough luck. Sorry, San. It's fine. Whatever. I'm not mad. I'll be at the beach waiting for you. Because it's all about you.